Well, today we're going to be taking a look at 2009 Chevy Silverado. Garage door just isn't big enough. Oops. We're going to be removing this one, replacing it with another one. We'll show you how it's done. There we go. We picked ourselves up another one. Came off of our old work truck. This one does not have power to it. Even though my truck did, this one's free. So we're going to be putting this one on. Install is basically the same. If you have power, you just plug your cable in. Let's get to it. Take this panel off here, and just clips in like that. There you go. It's held in by two little clips. We pull the styrofoam out of here. There you go. As you can see, we got our two bolts. One here, one up there. Let's get her changed out. We'll be using a 10mm socket. See if we can get that taken off. Well, there you have it. After fiddling around, getting our fingers in there, getting the nuts off, this guy here just comes straight off. There you have it. We take the new one, bolt it back on, bolt it back on, put the nuts on. If we had a power mirror, our cable would come down inside the door and clip on. We're just going to disconnect the power this time. Maybe at a later date we'll find a mirror that has power options. Quickly remove it. But this is what we got today. Let's put the nuts back on. Well, there we go. We got all the nuts back on. Put the styrofoam back on. Styrofoam's in. Put our clips in here. Actually, there was a third one. Broke off in place. I'm sure two clips will hold just fine. There you go. New mirror all fixed up. Hopefully it helps you replace your mirror too. Hopefully it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There we go, got her all done. Hopefully I don't back out of my garage again and break another one off. Hopefully it helped you replace yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.